Hey there, it's Mark Weiss. A lot of physicians think there's some safety in hospital employment, despite the fact that more and more hospitals are going out of business than have ever gone out of business before due to a multitude of problems. I saw today a story about a hospital that was taken over by, let me get my little note here, taken over by HCA, and more and more physicians have left that facility. Why? Because employed physicians are being told that they're being replaced by other physicians who are taking a 10 to 25% pay cut. You know, a few weeks ago, I did one of these Success in Motion videos about the bifurcated, the two-tiered system that once existed for large airline pilot salaries, where a union strike was settled by an agreement to, in essence, create a two-tier system, a two-tier employment system where new pilots would be earning less. Well, I didn't think it was that possible to do it with physicians, but damn it, every day I learn how wrong I could be, because here we see a prime example of a hospital system employment structure, whether it's direct employment or employment through a related medical group, in which they're doing just that. New employees are being brought on at a newer rate. Old employees are getting the old rate until some point where they too will be ratcheted down. So hospital employment is safe until it's not. It's safe, but at what price? And it's safe, but for how long?